Hey kids, I'm very happy to share a book. This book is about the bears on a trip with Grizzly Grams in his pickup truck. Brother, sister, and Honey Bear are going to see them all. Let's get started. The Berenstain Bears We Love Trucks by Jan and Mike Berenstain. Grizzly Grams drives a pickup truck. He is driving it to Farmer Ben's farm. He needs to pick up things at the farm. Brother, sister, and Honey Bear are going with him. They love Gram's pickup truck. You cubs like trucks, right? Asks Grams. Yes, they say. We will see lots of trucks on our way, says Grams. Yeah, say the cubs. Here, Joe, calls Grams. How are the flowers today? Nice and fresh, calls Joe. Any letters for me, Herb? Asks Grams. Not today, Grams, says Herb. They say builders at work. Hey, Gus, calls Grams. Can we see your dump truck? Sure, says Gus. Grams and the cubs get into the dump truck. It is huge. Gus dumps a big load of dirt off the back. Wow, says the cub. They pass more trucks. They are on the way to the hospital, says Grams. It is loud, says sister, holding her ears. A tow truck is towing a car. Careful, Jan, calls Grams. Don't scratch it. They come to a firehouse. The fire trucks are parked outside. The firefighters are practicing. Grams and the cubs stop to watch. The firefighters squirt water from a hose. They climb up a big ladder. Grams and the cubs pass bears picking up the trash. They pass bears pouring cement for a sidewalk. Someone is moving in here, says Grams, stopping. He shakes hands with the new family. Welcome to the neighborhood, he says. Grams drives on. They pass a car sale lot. Bears are unloading cars. Be careful, boys, calls Grams. Don't drop any of them. Grams stops at a gas station. Bears are at work pumping gas. They pump it into big tanks in the ground. Out on the highway, they pass a really big truck. The cubs asks the driver to blow his horn. Honk goes the horn. Grams visits his friends, the Browns. They are getting ready for a trip. They are going in a big truck. It is like a house on wheels. The cubs go in. It is nice inside. They even have TV. Back on the road, they pass the line of trucks. Soldiers are on the trucks. They are from the army. Grams and the cubs salute. The soldiers salute back. Finally, Grams comes to Farmer Ben's farm. Grams loads baskets of fruit into his truck. Farmer Ben is going to a farm show. He is putting his donkey into his truck. The donkey doesn't want to go. Good luck, Ben, calls Grams. Grams drives back to the tree house. Lizzie and Barry Bruin are visiting. Bye, cubs, says Grams. Bye, Grams, say the cubs. We had fun. Bye-bye, little truck, says little Honey. The end. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye, kids.